going up. See what I'm saying? That's our free will. Those that chose to go that way, I'm okay with that. But some people, they want to, but they still following the crowd. So I'm speaking to those people. They want the ones who want to, but they following, their family members and shit, because their family members put pressure on them. I'm speaking to those that want to, that see the truth. Man, don't let your family keep you from evolving. Don't let nobody keep you from evolving. If you see and you awaken, that was a reason that you received that calling. That was a reason. See what I'm saying? That was a reason you received that calling. They got the calling, but they can't hear it because everybody got the calling, but they can't hear it because of all of the negative things and the evil thoughts that's in their mind and the vibration that they're on. They can't hear it. We all got the wake up call, but they ignored it, or either they couldn't hear it because they were so low vibrational. We are one. Remember that. See what I'm saying? They refuse to do the work. Peace family. They refuse to do the work to clear out their mind and take their mind back. Once your mind is so crowded and cloudy, you can't hear. You can't hear. You can't receive guidance. You can't receive answers. Because a lot of people looking outside for answers when the answers is within. Find peace within yourself and raise your vibration, and you shall seek the answers. You shall receive the answers. See what I'm saying? But a lot of people can't sit with themselves. They can't sit with themselves. That's why they always trying to get in other people's company, siphon the energy off of other people and shit, trying to suck other people dry. They're afraid to be alone. They're afraid to sit with themselves. And they made that was their decision. That was their decision to make it like that for themselves. Because we all have a choice. So don't let them make you feel bad about making a choice that you made to better yourself. Because you see who you are. You know who you are. You answer that call. You answer that call. You hear me? Don't let them make you feel bad. I know a lot of people got love in their heart and they care about their family members. They care about their friends and shit. But if they're not rising, they're gonna bring you down with them. Plain and simple. They're gonna bring you down with them. Cause everybody ain't gonna make it. Everybody ain't meant to evolve with you. Why certain people came in your life to teach you a lesson. It was only a season. It's a whole nother season, a whole nother timeline we in. See what I'm saying? They're gonna be okay. Because they gotta keep on repeating it till they learn. They're gonna be okay. Leave them be. They made their mind up and you made your mind up. Disconnect. Don't be sorry. Don't feel bad. I know, because I've been there, done that. It was hard for me. It was hard for me letting people go, cutting people off because of the love I have within me. And I can see the truth. Like, come on. But that goes to show you, like, that takes a lot of discipline.